Welcome to FRELOTEX Technologies, where we are committed to helping people acquire practical digital skills that lead to meaningful careers, successful businesses, self-reliance, and financial independence. Have you ever wondered how companies protect sensitive information from hackers, prevent unauthorized access to their systems, and ensure only the right people can access important data? The answer is Identity and Access Management, commonly known as IAM. Identity and Access Management is the process of managing digital identities and controlling who can access specific systems, applications, networks, and data within an organization. It ensures that the right people have the right level of access at the right time. Imagine a large company with thousands of employees. Not everyone should have access to confidential financial records, customer databases, or executive documents. IAM helps organizations verify users' identities and grant only the permissions they need to perform their jobs. One of the biggest benefits of identity and access management is enhanced security. By ensuring that only authorized users can access critical systems, organizations significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks, insider threats, and data breaches. Another important benefit is improved compliance. Many industries require organizations to protect customer information and maintain strict access controls. IAM helps businesses meet these legal and regulatory requirements. Identity and access management also improves productivity. Employees can securely access the applications and resources they need without unnecessary delays, while IT teams can efficiently manage user accounts across the organization. Another major advantage is centralized control. Administrators can quickly create, modify, or remove user accounts, making it easier to manage employees who join, change roles, or leave the organization. Today, IAM is essential in banks, hospitals, government agencies, educational institutions, cloud service providers, multinational corporations, and technology companies. As organizations continue adopting cloud computing and remote work, identity and access management has become one of the most important areas of cybersecurity. At FRELOTEX Technologies, we provide practical identity and access management training that equips learners with hands-on experience in authentication, authorization, user management, access policies, multi-factor authentication, and modern identity security practices. Our practical approach prepares you to secure digital environments with confidence. Our mission is not only to teach technology, but to help you become self-reliant. The practical skills you gain at FRELOTEX Technologies can help you secure employment as an IAM specialist, cybersecurity analyst, cloud security engineer, or systems administrator. You can also work remotely, provide identity security consulting services, or establish your own cybersecurity business. These employable and entrepreneurial skills can create multiple streams of income and help you achieve long-term financial independence. The future of cybersecurity depends on protecting digital identities, and professionals with identity and access management skills are becoming more valuable every year. By learning IAM today, you're preparing yourself for a rewarding and future-proof career. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a successful future in technology. To learn more about our practical digital skills training and discover how FRELOTEX Technologies can help you become self-reliant through employable and entrepreneurial digital skills, visit frelotex.com. Thank you for watching. And remember, at FRELOTEX Technologies, we don't just teach technology. We equip you with practical skills that create opportunities, build successful careers, generate sustainable income, and transform lives through innovation.